Okay guys, welcome to a mini haul video. This is a Shop Miss A haul. I feel like Shop Miss A is something you see on TikTok a lot. I see people on YouTube talk about it every so often. However, I have not personally purchased from there, and it seems like a place that I would like try out. They actually have stores in Texas, I think, which I have siblings in Texas. I really want to go. I think they're in like a mall, but I want to see everything in person. I've just seen so many people talk about this website and like talk about the products on there. There's also a lot of stuff that seems to be kind of sold out, like things that I really wanted to try, but I still found a lot of things I wanted to try, and there's some really, really good things, so I want to share them with you. Okay, I don't know why I did this. I got earrings off of there, which I really don't know why I did that, because I don't know. But it was these earrings made me really want to be like, yes. They're a hoop, and then they have like a snake kind of suspended in it. I mean, so cute, right? Like they're really cute. Now, the backing, there isn't a backing per se. There's just like a little plastic stopper. So, I mean, for $1, I'm kind of like, I'm not upset, but I'm like, for $1, could they not have included a backing? Like, I feel like maybe they could have. I don't know. Okay, so next is these earrings, and they're pearls and stars, and I'm like, who am I? Again, you have like the little plastic stopper on the back. Like, on the model, they looked so good. I don't think I'm the demographic for this, as in like my style, but like I think I could still make these work at some point, or maybe I'll give them to someone who's like really into like a more feminine, girly look. I thought I could do this, but I really can't. I picked up these faux mink lashes. I think they were $1.55. Oh yeah, it says $1.55. They looked less intense on the internet. I would have to cut these down a lot, I think, to wear, because just my preference. We can try them. They look really kind of lightweight, so we'll see. We'll see how this goes. So there is a sponge that they're known for, their Paw blender. This is the Wonder, where is it? This is the Wonder Blender. I don't like this. This one, it is already kind of stiffer, and when you wet it, it is still stiff, just a bigger stiff. Does that make any sense at all? I don't like this one. I then picked up their Strip Lash Adhesive, the A+ Super. It's a brush tip, waterproof, hyperallergenic, whatever. So good. I will repurchase this because it was only $1.88. So worth it, okay? And then another thing I picked up, this was $1, and it is the Muse Liquid Liner. I'm not someone that likes a well liner, but I always pick one up, whether it be like Milani or whatever is kind of on sale, Elf, because I use it to fill in the gaps. So let's say I didn't really want to put liquid liner on before lashes. I just want to straight on put lashes to preserve the amount of space that would be showing on my lid. I'll go in with something like this. It doesn't have to be like beautiful or like perfect or like the best liquid liner ever, because I use it just to like dot in to fill in the spaces. So for $1, yeah. I also really kind of like this really thin tip. Depends on like how you hold things. Maybe you wouldn't like it, but I like that it's really, really skinny, and it's just like a nice black matte liquid liner that is really easy and good for dotting in to fill in the spaces. So approve. I got this cupping set. The whole set was $3.79. So you get the 2 little mini ones for the under eyes. You get the medium-sized one for your face, and then the large one, which you would use for your body. I think I just grabbed them to see if they would be good, so I could share it with you guys as like an option. I have purchased many things like this in the past. These are really like the softness and the kind of the flexibility of them is really nice. So I would recommend these to you as well if you're into cupping. I think for facial cupping, it's very difficult as far as like if it's going to be good for you, because if you just do it the wrong way, or if you don't use an oil or really like lubricating lotion, you will stress your skin out and you'll have a lot of redness afterwards. But I would highly recommend anyone, whatever level you're at, to try a body cupping one on your thighs or your underarms. It will hurt in the beginning, but then you'll adjust to it and you'll be like, why am I not doing this all the time? Now, you guys know I'm really into gua sha. So I have picked up like a body gua sha, and I use that very similarly to the way I use this. So, you know, you just kind of like drag it across your body, you know, just to shift it and drain the fluids. Okay, I picked these up. I haven't tried these yet. I'm probably gonna, not probably, I'm for sure giving them to my mom. My mom uses these daily. They're warming eye masks. We used to buy the ones, I think Biore makes them, the Megarhythm. Anyway, Ulta sells them now too, but they've become more and more expensive. So ideally they're around $1 a piece. That's like our preference. So these were, you get 12 for $10, which is a really good price. So if my mom gets back to me, then I will include like a little review down there, but this is an excellent price. Okay, next thing I grabbed, I haven't even tried these yet. You get 15 of them, and they're Magic Makeup Remover Sticks. So they're little cotton swabs that you can break apart, and then there's makeup remover in it. I haven't tried it yet. Should have tried it. So sorry, but good deal. I wouldn't buy something like this to use on a daily basis because wasteful, but I think if I'm ever traveling, or if you want to just keep one in your purse to like fix the situation, I think these are probably really, really handy if they work. Okay, next I got this fine tip liner in the shade Forest Green. I have it as my wing today. This color is really beautiful, guys. However, okay, I don't know if this is a however is a good thing or a bad thing, but this is very, very long wearing, i.e. when I removed all of my eye makeup at the end of the night, I still had green wings, like not this intense, a faded green wing. So I definitely went to bed with green wings because I couldn't get it off. But in the morning, you know, it was more or less gone. And then by the end of the next day, you know, fully gone. But like, I'm just saying, this comes in multiple colors. I am going to pick up the black one, maybe if there's a brown one, because I think this will be really good to either fill in the brows, draw on your lower lash line. Just the wear on this is amazing, and $1, okay? $1. Last but not least is this sponge. It's a little dirty. It's their Super Soft Wonder Blender. This is the one that everyone talks about and is obsessed with. I am here to tell you, I stand behind the hype. I am on that boat. You know, I've bought a ticket for this train. Like this, so good. They sell a multi-pack. It's either 5 or 10 sponges. I've even seen it on Amazon. Shop Missy has an Amazon store. So wherever it makes more sense for you to pick something up, if you have Prime, I think it's better to shop maybe off of Amazon because you don't have to hit some kind of free shipping threshold. I think when I purchased, there was a free shipping promotion. I don't know if there is always a free shipping promotion. Again, I've only shopped from here once, but highly recommend. Like, I will repurchase this over and over and over and over and over again because it's such a good price. Ow. Whew. This headband, it's a little tight right here. I had bought this headband for like my sister's wedding some years ago, and it was supposed to go with this one outfit I had planned out, and I never even wore it because it was like so much hustle and bustle, and then she was like the main priority, obviously, like doing her hair and makeup and getting her ready. So like I looked a little haphazard for certain parts. But anyway, this is something I had bought for that and I never wore it, so I'm like, oh, let me just wear it today. It's a cute. Okay, so that is my first Shop Missy haul. I really can't wait to go to like the stores in person just to see. I don't know that like you're gonna find like tons of makeup per se. I mean, that eyeliner was really good though. But I think it's really good for like makeup tools. I think there's a lot of tool type things that are very useful, particularly if there's something that you use often and you want it to become more affordable, or if you're a makeup artist. I just feel like there's so many things that you can get for your kit at such a good price. Like more competitive than say even the rates you would get from certain websites with like a pro discount, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.